going to attempt to do a wheel swap as quickly as I can. I'll run the clock on this once I introduce the car and the wheels. So what we got here is a beautiful Hot Wheels Nissan Skyline. It's part of the Neon collection. It's got a lot of detailing already, so it's just a wheel swap away from being pretty darn cool. It's a gorgeous little car. Got a couple of Sam-Ed, 2 axles of Sam-Ed wheels here. And I think they're going to fit in nicely with the scheme. I also checked, and it looks as though these will fit, and I won't have to alter the axles. So, first things first, let's start the clock once I pick up the car. Now. Okay, we're oiling up. A lot of people advise you drill just a little bit. I'm gonna hit the camera, and I'm gonna drill a little more, just to have a pilot hole for my screw later. Fuzzy, fuzzy. Look at that. Tinsel. All right, keep going. Yeah, this is something I'm looking at possibly doing on a live stream. I just want to get a little feel for it. I'm going a little faster with the drill than I normally would. And I've picked a bad angle because I'm going to just keep banging the camera with it. All right, let's see. All right, the head is off. Not quite. There we go. I make it in. I did. All right. So let's take a look at how neat and tidy those are. Not too bad. A little bit forward. Now this is the thing. When you do take the heads off, when you take the tops off of the thing, you want them to be a little bit on the flat side so that your screw goes in straight. I don't know. Probably if I tapped instead, I could tap straight. Go. Now we go to the drilling of the holes. And again, I'm going faster than normal, but right now my fingers are not lined up with the drill bit. Should I make an error? And I think I should. If I do go through the hood with this, I should be disqualified. It's the only one I've got, so. Pretty deep. And then this one, not as deep. So again, I am going for speed here, not precision. But I do want it to work nicely, so. It's funny, I'm realizing I laid out all the tools I need except the ones like these. The screwdriver and the post hardware. We've got a black base on it, but you know what? I'm going to use some of these silver screws, not the long ones. Where are they? These. Those are the long ones. These are the... costing myself time. Tick, 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 tick. Tick, 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 tick. There we go. Yeah, I don't know when the wheel swap is official. Is it when you, I guess when it's all together. Self-tapping screws. So, there we go, pretty in. A lot of this is I was getting ready for the midweek tweak series, and I pre-drilled a bunch of cars one after the other, and it's really good practice. It's almost like, if you like the car you get, you bring it home, and you're like, yeah, I'm gonna wheel swap this. Just get the drilling out of the way and get it done. All right, so there we are. Now let's get to the base here. And this is where I do need a different head for my screwdriver. I need the Phillips head. I mean, the regular head, the flat head. So I peel it up, yeah. Just get to the base and ease it up. Same thing here. And again, oh, that's gonna pop right out. Cool. Well, let's just get that third one up before we lay in our Samed wheels. So you push against the base, then you just tilt up 90 degrees. There you go. All right. That pops out. Now let's see if I have to make new axles or not. Do these fit in? Oh, they do. And they snap in even. Let's see, that's the front, that's the rear, here's the front. Okay, and then in the construction here, do these hold it in place? Because I may not even have to put the tabs down. Which is a lucky break. No, they do. I mean, yes, they do. All right, on our way, swap. And again, I'm going for speed here. I'm not gonna glue this one because it has those ridges, and maybe I'll give you a little look at those ridges again. And I go Hot Wheels formation. Front, rear screw. Hot Wheels always face left to right. But in this, you've got those guides, those teeth guides, and that's what keeps the wheels in, so I'm not going to bother with the, I'm not going to bother putting any glue on them right now. I may come back to that, but again, this is about how fast I can do it. And of course, here I am fumbling the back window. Click, clack. See if it clacks. No, it doesn't. But everything is in, everything is aligned. I'm sure I could do better than this, but again, I want it to be done right. And this is a great little casting. I mean, granted, this is one of their neon series that everyone's, I think the first batch was $3 each, and then the second batch came in at an hour $4 each. Look at this cute little car. All right, time. So yeah, she's good. The wheels are, they got a little play in them. So yeah, I'd probably go back. Oh, there's the click. Keep the clock going, folks. I know I'm doing the clock in post, so I will keep the clock going. Not done. False, false, false. So there was a click I missed. All right, and done. Not bad. 7 minutes, 43 seconds. I wasn't sure what to expect, but you know. So we got a car that rolls and bowls with details. That's not bad. Yeah, that was a fun little thing to do. I bet I could do better next time because I'll have all the right tools out in front of me. Yeah, I think I'm going to glue the axles anyway, and maybe next time I'll hold myself to gluing the axles in. It'll be curious to see, you know, if I have to change out an axle, how long it takes. But I hope you had fun watching this. This was a fun little thing to do, and, you know, nice little relaxing thing to do. Party on, everybody.